Well, rain a little bit, but rain hasn't disturbed us much.
Awat bisa wahai kawat ni wamai sudah terbiarman bisa mandai kita.
Right?
Tiga-tiga.
Yeah, I heard last night, most of you, particularly our sisters, you couldn't sleep well, your tent got wet, it was leaking from the roof, little inconveniences, but you are happy and look very good.
Ang kenakan dia orang tulen bisa dalam kos kota kira gangguan pun kaham saja.
Right? You're happy, right?
Puji hai na.
Yeah. I thought you are happy, but you seem you are not excited.
Ang cuma orang macam